Hello, my friends on the internet. It is your friend Jack here, and today we're talking about what I'm doing, what I'm creating. And I want to also talk about documentation and why it's pretty important and why it's actually really awesome to do. So let's just talk about that today. More specifically, I do want to show you what I've been up to. And I also, in a second, want to tell you why I think documenting for me has made a massive difference in making actual progress on creating things. Now, first, I'm going to show my face just so I can get the YouTube thumbnail, you know, and I don't have to go and manually do it because I'm a bit lazy when it comes to documenting, but nonetheless, I'm still documenting. But yeah, like honestly, I've been working a lot on three of my main things, which are all interconnected and are as follows. Curiosity Quench, which is pretty much an app to destroy TikTok. My book, which I've been editing. The first draft is done. I'm now in the editing phase, and it will be out this year, which is pretty fun. And also, my very own website, which you can see here. I'm kind of turning it into my own blog rather than using a third party. And I'm just crafting a place I think I can call home on the internet. And also, I'm starting to make a TikTok so I can document myself making an app to destroy TikTok, which is pretty cool. So I thought I would put it out here today. This is the day I have started to do this. Something I thought about last night, and I think it would be ironic, funny, and also maybe inspiring to people to help them create cool things, anything really at all, and stop scrolling on TikTok all day. But yeah, I mean, Curiosity Quench. Right now, this is our tester app. You click on curiosities, you get the details. You're gonna have a quench button, but I did make some progress. I moved over the old app to a new version of the backend, which is annoying. Took like 6 hours of headaches, but we got there, and here we are today documenting it. Documenting that it took a lot of hours to do all the things I just showed you, but it was fun. And also, I think documenting where I want to go and where I am is really important for getting to where I want to go. And I know that like maybe 10 people will see this video, but just putting my thoughts out there is kind of like a journal. That's really what this is, me talking to the camera every day for 10 people to see. It's a journal. And it's a public journal, yes, but it's also just to see, hey, this is the reputation I'm trying to build, and this is what I'm also trying to build, and here's how I'm trying to do it. If you didn't already know, I'm trying to build an app that destroys TikTok addictions, and I'm trying to write a book that inspires people to create more cool stuff. And in general, all the things I do are to inspire people to create more stuff, anything really, and to explore curiosity. Those are my end goals. Yes, I am trying to build up a newsletter, but that I feel like is a later byproduct, as I do really want my things to just sit on the internet and not have to be sent out every other week, but rather I can just post and they're there. My current blog, it looks a little bit like this. It's not the most clean thing, and I want to put it to my own home, but like as you can see here, I've written quite a bit. A lot of these are chapters from my book, and I think it's something that I could write about and talk about and just think about for the rest of my life. Now, the skills I learned for making this website and making this app are coding and design skills I can take with any mission I want to in relation to this for the future. So I think that's really cool. But yeah, documenting this has shown me a lot of things. It's also shown me that, hey, if I can explain things to other people, like you watching this video, in a way that makes sense of what I'm trying to do here, it makes myself also really clear on what I want to do. And I spend a lot less time doing things that maybe don't yield much fruits, ideally. And that's kind of what it's all about for me. That's today's log. That's what I'm creating. Tell me what you're creating down in the comments below. I'll see you guys in the next one tomorrow. Peace.